welcome back to my channel Civil Engineering Consultancy. Like, subscribe and share my channel. So start my video, I say about the types of footings. This is the section of footing. This is the plan of footing. Footing is the one of the most important parts of a structure which transfers loads of a structure to the underlying soil. Which transfers load of a structure to the underlying soil. One of the most important footings is one of the most important parts of a structure. This is section of footings, plan of footing. Different types of footings, section and plan always different. Different types of section, different types of footings, different types of section and plan. This is the sectional elevation of footings. This is the plan of footings. This section of suitable, the section of suitable of type of footings, then it depends on the following. Then it depends on the following factors. First, depth of the soil. The depth of the soil. At which shape bearing strata exist. At which shape bearing strata exists. Point number 2, the condition and type of soil. The type and condition of soil. The type and condition of soil. Point number 3, the type of the superstructure. The type of the superstructure. Example, 3 stories, 2 storied building are different types of footing. Used different types of footings. 2 storied building, 3 storied building, 2 storied building, 4 storied building are used different types of footings. So I say about the types of footing. The different types of footing, name. The different types of footings are used for building construction. Ek number, wall footings or steep footing. Spade footings. Isolated footing. stepped footing, combined footings, sloped footing, mat or wrapped footings. This is the different types of footings. If anything problem, you mail my Gmail ID. I also provide a PDF under this description box. So thank you.